Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today I'm going to be vlogging because I have to go get my nails done. I'm getting my nails done for my birthday and I have to get them done like a week before my birthday because of this coronavirus. So everything is shutting down around here, so I have to get them done as soon as possible. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be vlogging, going to get my nails done and coming back and then getting my hair done. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I look so crazy because that's exactly how I look when I'm not wearing makeup. I already started. I'm kidding.
Oh. Girl, how did it work? I don't have any shoes. It's me. Welcome.
Say hi to my vlog, mom.
Did you want this?
You're weird. Her toes are so ugly. I'm kidding, they're not ugly. So like I said before, guys, we're just gonna go get my nails done, and I think I already said it. I'm just gonna get my nails done and just coming back. Oh, it's hot outside. What are you doing, Johnny?
Layla. She's like so loud.
Say hi to my vlog, Jujika.
Layla.
We all just woke up and oh my gosh.
Yeah, Layla.
I look really crazy. Can they see?
She's just bouncing.
Look at the cat.
Look at the cat.
They're playing. They're playing. That's why. Leila.
I'm gonna catch her from this one.
Do you have lip gloss?
She wears her shoes.
Did she just say shit? I don't know what to talk about though.
See, that's why I don't know record shit, because I don't know what I be saying. I don't know what to talk about. Oh, make a vlog. You're supposed to create. You're supposed to have this already in mind.
Yeah, but I don't really plan stuff ahead.
Oh,
look how ashy my feet look though.
You got problem.
That's my problem. My hand is really hurting me so bad. When you start your YouTube channel, we should do videos together. You should do like a family video together. You could do. You're my mom. My mom.
I don't know.
What's yours is mine.
Oh no.
What's mine is
what's yours is mine. It's ours.
No.
What's mine is mine.
That's
girl, bye.
Man, it's going to the drive-thru window.
Where? Ah! Let me see if I can record that.
Get out. Get out.
Oh yeah. Get that to me, cat. Okay. You can get in the front, Johnny. Bye. Okay, but like, wait. So we're at the nail salon. Is it me? Like, I find it so awkward to vlog. So we're at the nail salon. Should I like record while I'm in there or no? So I'll get to you back. I'll get to you guys when I'm done. You're getting your nails done. Hello. Oh, there's very limited people. Hi. We have an appointment.
She's talking about her own
I'm
nails.
talking about my own nails.
Her? No,
Her nails.
You saying your nails?
No, her nails are too long.
I'm saying my nails are too long.
Oh yeah, I'm taking her down. I thought she was saying that her nails were long. So they already took them down.
Oh no.
Oh,
If she was complaining about those big nails, she needs to stay at home.
she did. I took them down.
Yeah, my nails coming out so good. Like, look at this. I feel like this whole vlog is gonna be a little bit backwards because I'm so awkward. I feel like I'm not talking as much as other vloggers. Huh?
It's gonna come.
Period. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I like it. I think this one is perfect.
It's unlocked.
Do you really text like that?
Yeah.
They don't grow at all. They stay the same. They do. Color.
This is cute right there.
I like that one. Ooh, get your camera like me, Jujika. Look at this. See? Ooh. Ooh. Hi, Punies. Hi guys, so I had to turn off the audio of that one video because there were music playing in the background while I was in the car, and I really did not, well, do not want to get copyrighted, so that's why it's kind of like mute. But yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you again. Bye. Alright guys, so I just picked up my order from FedEx. This is what the packaging came in. I honestly hope I didn't show my thing, but anyways, I just picked up my package from FedEx, and this is what it came in. So I ordered this hair from Isee Hair from AliExpress, and I ordered 180 density. I wanted 250, but it wasn't available. Well, they didn't have it, so I ordered 180 density and 24-inch. And then right after that, I went to the beauty supply store because I am going to be dyeing this hair. I'm just going to be doing blonde highlights, streaks, or whatever. So let's see how this hair, yo, no lie, I've been like, like praying and stuff like that. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I did order this from their AliExpress thing, like I already said. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is what it looks like. It comes in like rubber and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what their box came in. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like when I ordered it, like the box is a little bit dented and stuff like that. It's like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm just super duper excited to see what my hair looks like, because when before I order any type of hair, like off rip, one thing I always do is I always look at the comments, well, not the comments, like the reviews. And oh my gosh, I think like 62 people say that 62 people gave it like 1 star, but then like 2,000 people gave it 5 star. So I was just like, I'm just gonna take my shot. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It is as if you were, or like it's basically like the same thing from their actual website, but this is my actual first time ordering from them. They send you 3D mink lashes. If y'all don't know, I like wearing lashes, but I'm not really good at them. Oh, this is the moment I've been waiting for. I'm really like, dude, I'm so scared. Cause so many people say that when they order this hair, it's not true to length. I ordered a 24-inch. Okay, this, oh my gosh, it stinks. This hair smells like straight fish. It smells like bleach, like it's been processed. Oh wow. This hair is really soft, and I'm just gonna tell you this right now. This hair is not 180 density. It's really soft though, and I ordered 13 by 6. Oh, it is pre-plucked. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is pre-plucked and everything. Like, look at this. It is pre-plucked. Like, honestly, me personally, I don't pluck my hairs because I'm really rough when I'm doing my hair, and over time, like, the front gets bald and stuff like that. But this is the hair. This is how long it is. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure if this is even a 24-inch. Like, the bottom doesn't really bother me, but I guess we'll get a closer look at the inches when I install the hair. So that's gonna be that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a while, in a few seconds after like I get my hair braided and everything. Hi guys, welcome back. So right now I'm just going to be installing my wig. So I'm pretty sure you already know how to install a wig by now, so I'm just gonna get straight to the point, meaning I'm not going to be explaining as much. If you do want an in-depth tutorial on how I install my wig, or this wig in particular, just let me know, and I literally will just remove the wig and reinstall it on the camera, and I'll make sure to explain it to you guys. Oh my gosh, my nose is so itchy. So you already know before you before you start putting your wig on, you have to use some rubbing alcohol, and I'm just gonna be using these little cotton round pads, and I'm gonna wipe off the excess oil off my forehead. Who?
He go somewhere.
Tell him. So I'm just gonna be using 70% alcohol, and I'm just gonna rub off the oil off of my forehead, because I did apply some oils to my roots and stuff like that, because my hair is gonna be under the wig for a long time. The whole purpose of me getting my hair done is for my birthday, 1, and 2, because I don't do my hair whatsoever. So I'm just rubbing this all off, because I know like when I was applying oils to my roots, some of it seeped through to the front of my little edges. So while I'm doing my hair, these are the things that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a scissor, and then I'm going to be using this little razor to cut off the lace, and then I'm going to be using this Ghost Bond glue, which is the glue that I always use for all of my wigs. So like around 2 weeks ago, I went to the beauty supply store to get some glue or whatever, and I tried Layla. I went to the beauty supply store because I wanted to try a different glue besides Ghost Bond. So I tried Bold Hold. You can't even see this because my camera is so harsh. So like I'm sure y'all already know what Bold Hold looks like, and I'm not gonna say it's terrible, but all I'm gonna say is it did not do me any justice, and I actually hated it. Like, it wouldn't stick, it just wouldn't stick, and I'm like, what the hell, I'm not here for that. So I'm just gonna be using my same glue, which is Ghost Bond glue. Anyways, let's just get right into this, because I actually have to go somewhere as soon as I'm done filming this video. Ugh, I hate. Ugh, gosh. Oh, and another thing, if you guys do see me like continuously leaning forward, is because there's like a big mirror right behind my camera, and I'm just going and like I'm just gonna be looking what I'm doing, just so I make sure that. All right guys, so I just finished with my hair, and this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty, and oh my gosh, this hair is super duper soft, and it had so many flyaways, which was one thing I did not like about this hair. And what I did to fix that is I used some mousse, like, you know, like I flattened my part out, and then I made sure, like, you know, I put some mousse in the front, like to lift it up a little bit, because I really hate it when my hair just like is just so flat on my face. Like, I hate it. It looks gross. Well, it doesn't look gross, I just don't like it. And so how I feel about this hair. So I ordered this hair from Isee Hair on AliExpress. I did purchase it with my own money, because obviously this is not a sponsored video because I'm a small channel. So like at first, well, you're gonna see it, but like at first I didn't like, I'm not gonna say I didn't like it, I just wasn't as pleased as I am now, because at first I thought it was super duper short, until, like, you know, I washed it and I put that thing in my head, and baby, let me just tell you, I look bomb right now. Like, literally, it's so long. I purchased a 180 density 24-inch wig, and this is a 13 by 6. And that's another thing that I really like about this hair. Like, the 13 by 6, like, you know, the 6-inch parting space is super duper deep. Like literally the parting space ends like all the way back there, which is like all the way in the back of my head compared to my other curly wig from before. Like it was also a 13 by 6 and it was like, all I'm gonna say is this hair is so much, like this hair is so nice, and I did not experience no type of shedding with this hair at all. Like I washed it, so I took it out of the box, combed it out, no hair came out. Washed it, no hair came out. Like nothing is coming out, and I'm literally pulling, nothing is coming out literally. And then one thing that I know for a fact I'm gonna go back in to do is I'm going to try to bleach the knots again, because when I bleached the knots, like, you know, previously I didn't really leave the bleach in the on the lace for a long period of time because I was so scared. Because I did ask them, they told me if I bleached it that it would cause the hair to shed a lot. So that's just that on that. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how long this hair is on me. So keep in mind that I'm actually a very small person. I'm 5'2", so oh yeah, so I'm 5'2", so yeah, like it's literally past my boob, it's touching my waist. So this hair is waist length, and this is how long it is from the back. It's like, I guess you could say it touches my butt a little bit. So yeah, I really love this hair. But yeah, oh, and then to fix the lace a little bit more, I did went in with my foundation and I just, like, you know, dab it a little bit like in the front so it doesn't really look wavy, because I did tell y'all I didn't leave the bleach on the hair for, like, on the lace for too long because I was really scared and I didn't want to mess up my hair that I spent so much money on because I am broke. So yeah, that's my hair. Oh, and I don't think I ever showed y'all my nails, but yeah, this is what my nails look like. Is it showing? So I got my nails done at Nails Perfection, which is the same place I always get my nails done around here in Orlando. But yeah, that's just that on that, guys. Just so I could stay inside the house because we are in quarantine and we are on lockdown over here. There's not much we can do. But anyways, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you did reach the end of this video, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much again. Bye guys, have a great and blessed day. Bye.